It's me! This is what I'm using right here to open the box. This is also what my girlfriend carries in her car in case there's some drama. Alright, this is from Silver Creek Seramas. This package says live embryo hatching eggs. It's very heavy, so there's either a lot of eggs or it's just heavy for no reason because it's very small eggs. Packed with shavings, as you can see, and we've had them packed like this before. This is a good way. They're all individually wrapped in bubble wrap. It says 5+ is how many I ordered. Let's see how many came in the box. To 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Does old girl want to get in the video?
Yeah, she wants to be a star.
You want to hand her to me? This right here is Senorita Frohoss. She's currently in our Easter egg basket. She's observing. I don't know. Let's see how she wants to observe. Why are you hiding your head, girl?
Don't let her fall.
I'm not. Okay. That's all of them in the box. Well, that's nice. You don't have to cut this. You don't have to cut styrofoam. It's all in little double sticky ones, individually packed. See, baby eggs.
Where are you going to take her so she doesn't fall off the bed?
Her mom's kind of attached. She's what you call a helicopter chicken mom. So far, 3 for 3. No major issues. Alright, so what we got was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 eggs shipped. One with a small crack right here, no big deal. That's likely from shipping. We got a nicely packaged eggs, and that's it. Thank you. Come again.